guys, and welcome to the craft table. I have my first commission, and I have the very best customer ever, and I love her dearly. It's my sister. She has finally gotten her dream kitchen. Well, it's still a work in progress, but she has, after 40 years, a well-deserved dream kitchen. And she wants a trivet or a hot plate, something you can put down and put your tea kettle on, you know, that type of thing. And she had given me a piece of wood, and I thought about it. I was going to do it, and I happened to go to Lowe's last weekend, and we ran across a box of tiles, and these are very sturdy, heavy tiles. They're quite thick and quite big. I'm not sure the exact size, but oh, this would be perfect. You could put several things or one big thing, and it would last longer. You could actually wash this. And the nice part about having her as a customer is she went out and she picked her own colors. She bought the resin. It's heat-proof, waterproof, alcohol resistant, the whole schmear. So all I have to do is make the mess on top. And she went with folk art, the pearl white, the bright red, brushed metal, and gunmetal. Her kitchen is gray and white and with touches of red here and there. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I am super jealous, but she deserves it. She's my sister. So, I am going to play. I have a whole box of these, and the nice part about these is if it doesn't turn out, you can literally just wipe it off, you know, before you put this on. But so, shall we get to work? And there you have it. Now, it is nowhere near done. It's totally wet, and but it's, to me, is beautiful. If she doesn't like it, I know where it's going. And I'm going to let it sit for at least a week to cure and all that, and then I will be pouring the resin on top. And I'll probably on the back put either some kind of like a felt cloth or those little felt sticker things so it doesn't scrape across the counter. But this is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. The colors just complement each other. It's subtle, but yet it still pops because of the red and the dark grays. And I think it will look really good in her kitchen. And I definitely love working with tiles. I absolutely love it. And just a heads up, I have ordered myself some resin. I've been watching people that are playing with resin and doing such amazing art with them. I am going to give it a try. I'm not giving up on the acrylic pours and stuff like that. I still, right now they're my favorite. But I will be working into resin. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got just a little bit of inspiration. You know me, that's my spiel. I'm here to get that imagination going and your inspiration at its highest peak. And I hope you have a great week, and I promise I will be back soon. See ya.